Welcome to Eagle Mind. I am Zeke, here to enlighten your journey.
Disclaimer.
You found a buyer. Both of you agreed to a price. He paid the earnest deposit and signed the booking form. So, what's next? Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and open the bell notification. Your support is my motivation to make more videos. This video is for everyone currently with or without a property. The purpose is to allow you to prepare ahead on the important aspects during the sales of your property. I'll be sharing with you top 5 things to consider when selling your property.
Point 1.
It is a practice in certain countries where there is only one lawyer working on the buying and selling transaction. But a lawyer cannot represent two opposing parties in a contract due to conflict of interest. As a seller, if you decided not to appoint your own lawyer, it is very important to note that the purchaser's lawyer is not representing you by any means. Instead, the purchaser's lawyer is merely assisting you, the seller, towards the completion of the sales and purchase proceedings. As such, the purchaser's lawyer has no obligation to secure your interests. The process, such as discharging the seller's loan, filing of property taxes, and applying for state authorities' consent, which the purchaser's lawyer is doing on your behalf, is still subject to individual charges. Generally, it is very unfavorable for you as the seller to be unrepresented legally unless you can fully understand the terms and conditions stated in the sales and purchase agreement.
Point 2.
This is a very common term that can be found in the agreement of secondary market. In simple language, it refers to what you see, what you get. Save and accept what is agreed on top of that. As a seller, you are still the owner and have the responsibility to maintain the property subject to fair wear and tear until the keys are handed over to the purchaser. This is because the purchaser will expect to receive the property later in a similar condition as and when the property was viewed before signing of agreement.
Point 3.
Many have the misconception that once the agreement is signed, the seller will get the money shortly after. The usual terms of payment is 3% upon signing of booking form, remaining 7% of deposit upon signing of the sales and purchase agreement, and the balance 90% purchase price is before the expiry date as stated in the agreement. The first 3% is kept by the real estate agency as a stakeholder and/or for their commission. Out of the remaining 7% deposit, 3% is a retention sum, which is held by the lawyer to be forwarded to the Inland Revenue Board, also known as LHDN, for capital gains tax calculation. Further explanation will be in the next point. For the last 4% of the deposit, it will be given to the seller upon signing of the sales and purchase agreement, unless if there is restriction in interest on the property, then the lawyer will hold that amount until the condition precedent is satisfied. For the 90% balance purchase price, it shall be paid within the stipulated time from the unconditional date of the agreement. You may inquire from the lawyer in charge to know the timeline.
Point 4.
In In the previous point, you might ask why the lawyer wanted to hold my 3% as retention sum. This is because the Inland Revenue Board, or LHDN, has this mandatory requirement to file the relevant forms within 60 days from the date of the sales and purchase agreement. Another relevant form is CKHT 3, which is to be filed together with CKHT 1. This is a huge topic to cover. I'll make another video to touch on it.
Point 5.
The closing of account of the electricity and water meter can be done anytime before the handing over of the property, unless there is an ongoing tenancy in the property. Generally, it is a requirement before handing over. The form and instructions can be found in the link under the description below.
To recap, these are the 5 things to consider when selling your property.
Thank you for watching till the very end of this video. You may refer to the timestamp in the description box below to refresh your memory. Please like and subscribe to my channel to show some love and support. Share it out to your friends and family to benefit them as well. Comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.